In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Windows Defender SmartScreen. Before we jump in, a quick word of caution. SmartScreen is a security feature built into Windows that helps protect your device from potentially dangerous apps, files, and websites. Disabling it will make Windows less strict about what you can run or open, but it also reduces your protection. Only follow these steps if you understand the risks and ideally have another reliable security setup in place. Let's get started by opening the Windows security settings. On your keyboard, you can press the Windows key and then type Windows Security. When you see the Windows Security app in the search results, click it to open. This is the central hub where Windows manages its built-in protection features, including SmartScreen. Once the Windows Security window is open, look at the list of options on the left or in the main panel, and find the one labeled App and Browser Control. Go ahead and click that. This section is specifically focused on how Windows checks apps, files, and websites before letting them run. In the App and Browser Control section, you'll see different headings related to SmartScreen, such as checking apps and files, Microsoft Edge, and potentially other app-based checks. Under each heading, you'll usually see options like Block, Warn, or Off. By default, it's often set to Warn or Block to keep you safer. To effectively disable SmartScreen, you'll want to change these settings from their more protective options to Off. Start with the setting for checking apps and files. Click on it, then select Off. You may get a prompt from Windows asking you to confirm this change, possibly with a message explaining that your device may be more vulnerable. Confirm that you do want to proceed. Next, look at the SmartScreen settings for your web browser, such as Microsoft Edge. Again, change the protection level to Off. This stops Windows from screening websites and downloads through that feature. Work through any additional SmartScreen sections you see, switching each one to Off if your goal is to fully disable it. Once you've made these changes, close the Windows Security app. The new settings usually take effect immediately, and SmartScreen will no longer intervene when you open apps, files, or certain websites. Remember, you've now turned off an important security layer. Make sure you only run software and open files from sources you trust, and consider re-enabling SmartScreen in the future if you start noticing suspicious behavior or want that extra level of protection back.